All right, everyone, welcome to the Hillside Farm. Today is going to be a little bit different. It's January, it's cold, it's been snowing, but I actually had the opportunity to get a load of spent mushroom bedding material now. So it's not exactly mushroom compost, but if you kind of look over here, back the truck, I have all these bags, okay? So got these from Hernshaw Farms. They're a organic mushroom producer locally from where I live, and these are basically just spent bedding materials made of sawdust and soybean hulls, I believe. It's completely organic, so once the mushrooms are done growing and the medium is basically spent, they just basically toss these out and compost them. But I was able to go pick some up, and as you look kind of close down to these bags here, you can still see all of mycelium kind of growing through this really just a see the sawdust material kind of going through that. But what I'm going to do, I'm up here at the farm, and if you've been following along, which I hope you have been, you subscribed and pay attention to what's going on up here, then you notice that I've been making the garlic in the new field, basically from hayfield to productive farm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this just this one wheelbarrow full right here. I'm going to take it out to make a row. I'm just going to kind of bury this underneath because I don't want it to sit on top, and kind of you can't really till it in January being wet and nasty like it is. But I'm going to put that on the field and do a side-by-side comparison. Just kind of see like this versus that, kind of mushroom bedding versus not mushroom bedding, and just to see what the differences are in the final solution. So that begs the question, what crop should I use? What should I compare? So what do you guys think I should use? Put that down in the comment below. I will caveat that, though, through some research I have located, that acidic loving plants would not care for this type of material. I guess it has something to do with the ion exchange or something. I'm not sure exactly. It gets too in depth on that, but this is a good material just for adding organic matter to your ground and everything. But you can see some of these logs here, you can still see the mycelium is very, and for those who don't know, mycelium are basically, we'll say, the roots of the mushrooms, and the mushrooms that you eat at the store, things, those are just basically the blooms. But these mycelium networks can go on for miles. And right here, if you can kind of check this one out, that one still has a bit of a mushroom on it. I'm not sure what kind of mushroom that is, but it's not a dangerous one. It's like I said, these are commercial edible mushrooms they do sell. But yeah, so have anybody out there, have you ever used this type of material in your garden or at a farm or any kind of growing? Let me know how it worked out for you. What crops did you use it on, and how did it turn out? So this is going to be a little short clip for today. I'm going to get back to work, but yeah, do check back in the future when I do a comparison of the soil amended with the mushroom compost versus the soil that's not been amended with the compost. But yeah, I mean, this is just the perfect little stuff right here. Even at the very least, I mean, you can see just how it falls apart. That's going to be a good soil amendment as far as just adding organic material to the ground. And with the sawdust, I don't know. I think might be something to look into, because they said the mushroom compost was not really suitable for acidic plants, but however, sawdust tends to lend itself to being acidic. So I'm not sure if it's just the mushrooms themselves that have a negative reaction. So anyways, for today, I'm just going to wrap it up. So leave the comments down below what you think you'd like to see me do a trial with, even if just for your own personal interest. If there's something you want to see happen that maybe you can take and use at your place sometime in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up there, guys. From the Hillside, I'm going to get back to work. You guys stay warm, and we'll see you next time. All right, guys. Bye-bye.